How to remove background in CapCut. Removing the background in CapCut is super easy, and here is how to do in your mobile. So let's get started. First of all, simply open the CapCut app on your mobile device and make sure that you are signed into your CapCut account. Now, once inside the CapCut app, tap on the new project or simply tap on the project you are working on. Then all you have to do is, once you select the video or photo you want to remove background of, simply select your clip on the timeline. Make sure to select the clip on your timeline or else you won't get to see other edit option on your CapCut. Now once you scroll there, you'll get to see remove BG option available there. Tap on it. Then tap on the auto removal option available there. Then you'll have to wait for a few seconds for your CapCut to analyze your background and remove it automatically. Then simply tap on the check icon available there. And once done so, your background will be removed easily. You can preview the video if you want to check it. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.